Hi kids, welcome to Enhance Your Learning Environmental Studies for Grade 2, Unit 2, My Family and Friends. Lesson 6, People Who Help Us. Kids, do you think without the help of anyone you can lead a peaceful and comfortable life? No, we need many people help in order to live a comfortable and peaceful life, right? Yes, for example, we need a milkman support every day, but we don't want taxi driver help every day, right? We need sometimes. If you want to go to airport or if you want to go to some tourist places, we may hire a taxi, right? So some person will help us every day and some person will help us sometime, right? So for their work they will earn money, and with that money they will run their family. So in this class, we are going to see who all are making food available for us, and who all are selling the things, and who all are making the things, and who all are taking care of us. Let us see one by one. First one is people who make food available for us. Okay, the main important person who make food available for us is a farmer. A farmer grows food crops, okay, and he will see that the food crops are available for the daily use for all the people, okay. So the farmer grows food crops and he will see that the food crops are available in the market every day, okay. Then a cattle rearer supplies milk, okay. The cattle rearer supplies milk, and every day morning and evening they will come to our house and give us milk. Next one is poultry farmer. Poultry farmer grows chicken, geese, ducks, turkey, okay, in the farm, and they will see that the meat and eggs are supplied to the market in a regular basis, okay. Next is a fisherman. What the fisherman will do? The fisherman will catches the fish and sell the fish. Okay, the fisherman will catches the fish and sell the fish. Next is a dairy person. Dairy person makes the milk products available for all the people. Okay, what are the milk products? Like milk, butter, yogurt or curd, okay, ghee, buttermilk. So these are all the milk products. Next one is a baker. A baker makes biscuits, cakes, breads, etc. Okay, so people who make food available for us are a farmer who grows food crops, a cattle rearer supplies milks, a poultry farmer supplies eggs and meat, a fisherman catches and sells fish, a dairy person makes milk products, a baker makes biscuits, cake, bread, etc. Next we'll move on to the people who sell things. Who all are the people who are selling the things? The first one is the grocer. Okay, a grocer sells rice, pulse, tea, sugar, etc. In the last class itself we have seen grocery store sells flour, tea, sugar, paste, tea, brush. Okay, so these are all the items will be sold by the grocer. Okay, next one is a greengrocer. A greengrocer sells vegetables and fruits. This you know already. Okay, what the greengrocer's shop will sell? The greengrocer's shop will sell vegetables and fruits. Then a stationer sells pencils, pen, eraser, notebooks, sharpener, all your school items. Okay, so a stationer sells all the items which is necessary for your schools, like pencil, pens, eraser, notebooks. Okay, next is a chemist sells medicines. What is the other name of chemist shop? The other name of chemist shop is pharmacy, right? So the chemist sells medicines and other healthcare products. Okay, next one is a florist. A florist sells flowers. If you want to give some gift to your friend's birthday, you can go to this florist and you can get the beautiful flower and present for your friends. Okay, next is a butcher. A butcher sells meat. All kind of meats will be available in the butcher's shop. Okay, so the butcher will sells meat. So who all will sell things? A grocer sells rice, pulses, tea, sugar. A greengrocer sells vegetables and fruits. A stationer sells pencils, pen, eraser, notebook, gum tubes, etc. Then a chemist sells medicines. A florist sells flowers. A butcher sells different kinds of meat. Understood, kids? Next we will see people who make things. Okay, people who make things. Which are all the different kinds of people make? Which are all the different things? Okay, so mason. A mason construct walls. Okay, a mason construct walls. If you want to build a house, you need the help of mason. Then a weaver. If you want a cloth or woolen cloth or any cloth, you need a help of the weaver because they only will weave the clothes. Okay, next is tailor. If your mother bought a new dress for you and which is not stitched, then whom you will get the help? You have to approach the tailor to stitch your clothes. Okay, next is potter. A potter makes an earthen pots. Earthen pots. See how the potter is making an earthen pot out of clay. Okay, and this is earthen pot are very useful for our health. Okay, in summer season, if you want to drink a natural cold water, you can just pour the water in the earthen pot and you can drink. Okay, instead of keeping the water in the refrigerator and drinking very chill, you can use this earthen pots to keep the water cool and which will not have any health hazard for your body. Okay, instead if you are drinking a very cold water from the refrigerator, maybe you will have cough, cold, etc. Okay, so these natural earthen pots will be more healthy compared to refrigerator water. Okay, then carpenter. What the carpenter will do? He will make furnitures out of wood. Can you give me some of the example of furniture like chairs, tables, cupboards? Okay, so all these things will be made by the carpenter out of wood. Okay, kids. Next is cobbler. What the cobbler will do? Do you all remember the rhymes? Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoes. Right? Yeah. So cobbler makes and mends shoes. Okay. What is the job of the cobbler? Cobbler will make and mend your shoes. Does this cobbler is necessary for our life? Why he is necessary? Yes. If there is no cobbler, we can't mend our shoes. So every time we need to purchase new shoes. By that we'll be wasting our money. Since there are a cobblers in our society, we can approach cobbler and we can mend our shoes and we can reuse it. By that we can save some part of our money. Okay, kids. So immediately if you have any problem with your shoes, you should not ask your mother to or parents to buy a new shoes. You can get the help from the cobbler and by paying 5 or 10 dirhams or 5 or 10 rupees, you can mend your shoes and you can reuse it. Okay, kids. So who all make the things? A mason lays brick walls. A weaver weaves cloths. A tailor stitches cloths. A potter makes earthen pots. A carpenter makes furniture. A cobbler makes and mend your shoes. And we have some more people who makes things. Okay, can we see that also? What the blacksmith will do? Blacksmith makes things of iron. Okay, so iron, all the iron works will be done by the blacksmith. Okay, next is silversmith. Okay, the word itself you can identify the meaning. So the one who makes the silver ornaments is called silversmith. Okay, the one who makes silver ornaments is called silversmith. And who is goldsmith? Goldsmith makes gold ornaments. Okay, blacksmith makes things of iron. Silversmith makes silver ornaments. Goldsmith makes gold ornaments. Okay, so who all are helping us in making things? A mason, a weaver, a tailor, a potter, a carpenter, a cobbler, a blacksmith, a goldsmith, a silversmith. Understood, kids? Next we are going to see about people who care for us. Okay, the first one is teacher. Teacher care with our studies, right? A teacher teaches in school and see that every students understand the lesson. Okay, next is the doctor. What is the job of the doctor? When you are sick, you are approaching the doctor. Okay, so the doctor will assess and treat you when you are sick. Okay, next one is a nurse. What the nurse will do? Nurse will take care of the patients. Whatever doctor told, everything will be done by the nurse. Okay, so they will be only taking care of the patients. Okay, next one is a policeman. What is the job of the policeman? Policeman will see that every people follow the law and order. Okay, that is the rules and regulations of the government. Okay, the policeman will see that the people are following the rules and regulations. Okay, and if they are not following, what the policeman will do? They will give punishment. Okay, next one is firefighter. What is the job of the firefighter? Firefighter help us to put off the fire when we are in danger and save our life. Okay, firefighter help us to put off the fire and save us from the danger. Understood, kids? Next one is a postman. What is the job of the postman? The postman will deliver letters, parcels, etc. Understood? So today we have seen who all are making the food available for us, who all are selling the things, who all are making the things, and who all are caring for us. Understood? If you like my videos, subscribe to enhance your learning. Thank you.